Third tree of this video is gonna be my European larch here. It needs some pruning and I want to wire this branch down as well. I didn't do it in the last video, I don't know why. But sometimes with the lowest branches and these ones, it's good to get it over with, because, not over with, you're never finished, but I mean it's gonna be even thicker day by day, so it's still pretty bendable, so I want to do it now. Don't know why I didn't do it last time, but it's really starting to look like something, this tree now. This branch, for example, I'm just very hard on because it's almost as thick as the lowest branch, and I don't want that. I want it to be a little less thick for the perspective of the tree. And actually it's the exact same with this one. Prune it back so it doesn't get much thicker and a lot of new growth. I have a bud there. Can also go. This one is also very thick. Still don't know about this empty space. If I should bend the branch in there or I should just leave it, because I think I said it last time, but this could very easily occur in nature, that a branch just dies off and you have this big hole in the crown. But you could also argue that the tree would fill this very quickly with a branch from beneath or something. But for now, I feel like just leaving this big blank space. So. Peeling this wire off before it leaves marks, and I was just looking at the tree in the garden. This one can be more upwards since it's one of the last branches in the tree, so it doesn't have to be bent as heavily down as it was from the wire. I'll just let the branch try to straighten it out by itself, because it's one of the top branches. It will naturally seek the light, and it's not that thick yet, so I'll just leave it to it and try to do it naturally. And I do it and I remove it because I don't want any wire marks in the branch. I'm considering using a guy wire here attached to the bottom, both because it's nice pull and it takes a lot longer time if you attach it correctly to the branch before it leaves marks in the branch. And I don't have anything else to anchor this branch to on the tree. And it's a long time ago since I repotted it now. No, it was in the spring, but it's had plenty of time to fasten, I think, so I think it'll be fine. I said it's very stuck to the pot now, or at least more stuck than a new potted tree. So I think I can do that. Just need to attach it to the wire underneath. Almost there. Just gonna again, I want to take as much foliage of this one as possible because it's thicker than the lowest one. I don't want that. See if it's an okay timing to take off this wire. I think it is. This one is just growing up in the air. Don't want that. This one is getting very thick. Don't want that either. Actually has a tiny bud down here. I'm gonna use this one when it grows out as a branch because this is again very thick compared to the taper here. Just gonna let this grow so it can get thicker than that one, and then I'll prune it back later. And the other side here, this one is actually thinner than this one, so I'll just let this grow. And these two are going to be my new main branches, but they have not sprouted yet. Or maybe this one, I don't know. But I'll leave this one for now. I think I'm done. This is it for this video. I'm sorry, but it's a bit cloudy, that's why I don't have much light in here. In the future I'll definitely invest in some better lighting so that you guys can see the trees properly and I can see the trees properly. And yeah, this is this video. And here in the end I'd just like to say thanks for watching, and I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. It would help me very much to grow this channel and my bonsai trees. Thank you for watching.